Namaskar, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials, ministers, all around the world, those who are listening. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA. Today I am discussing very important topic, that is, no doubt these days are the days of democracy, but it is a fact that democracy is dominated by the rich only. Modern era is the era of democracy. No doubt in some countries there is dictatorship and monarchy, but the governments are not so autocratic as they used to be in the past. Democracy gives the highest respect and importance to the public. I think that public opinion has a great importance in democratic setup. Not to talk of democracy, even in dictatorship, public opinion cannot be easily silenced. Public opinion may be defined as an opinion held by the people at large on a crucial issue. Public opinion is developed by the press, political parties, NGOs, the leaders, the press and other means of informations, articles, books, booklets, pamphlets and leaflets. All the means of information have the moral obligation to oppose any movement by the government agencies, institutions or political parties which go against the public interest. It is the moral duty of the press, electronic media and the political parties to support the right measures taken by the government or other agencies. The press plays a immense role in creating public opinion. Press is like a great surgeon which amputates the malignant organs from the body. No criminal and no defaulter can go scot-free from the hawk-like eyes of the press. In every newspaper there is column, letters to the editor, which acts as ventilation of the public opinion. History is witness to the fact that many autocratic and unpopular governments had to lick the dust due to the public opposition. Towering political leaders had to surrender weakly before the public. Many anti-public legislations were repealed as wished by the public. Gone are the days when the public was condemned with such words as mob, crowd, etc. Public was taken for granted. The new trend of anti-establishment vote is a reflection on the value of the public opinion, which can turn a hero to a zero and a hero to a zero. So let's our Let's honor the public opinion, because vox populi is vox godly. It is a fact that minimum qualification should be fixed for voting right. Right to vote is one of the fundamental rights in almost all the democratic countries. There were the days, especially during the British Empire, when property was